My name is Mark from Nature's Hand. I had the pleasure to meet Fritz and Susanna about a year ago, and we decided to take in the water filtration system supplied by Waterwise. The reason we did this is because it's a fully natural, vegetable-based filtration system. It's easy to install, and it also comes with no maintenance contracts. It's attracted a lot of attention here in the shop, and our customers are extremely interested in the product, and indeed I have one myself at home. The product itself is displayed here in the store with various ranges of filtration system available to the customers. So we're delighted to support Waterwise, and we look forward to working with them long into the future. So, cheers.